Here we go, 1965 Chevy Corvair Manza. White interior, oyster white, convertible. Great shape. It's kind of like, I guess it's a mint aqua. I mean, it's sort of like, it's green, but it's got blue in it more or less. It's like it is green, I guess you would call it. More like an aqua. This was a car that should have kept being produced. Notice nobody went after the Volkswagen Beetle. And same type of design. Actually, I think this would be stronger. And this is a great car in the snow because the engine is over the rear wheels. And you know, today, I guess the one thing was like a swing axle, but if you have two joints versus one, the wheel won't tuck in, so it keeps it flatter. So, you know, it could have easily been just a little more design modifications. Very, very safe. And there are Italian sports cars that are really, engines are fairly mounted in the back, more maybe towards the mid-back, but
Take a picture of that one for Grandpa?
it's low to the ground, fun to drive, and the trunk being in the front, actually, this trunk is a hell of a lot bigger than a VW Beetle too. I mean, it's designed to be a go-getter, not a racer, but they're dick and haul ass too. Beautiful car, man, beautiful. Especially in the convertible, very nice color.